Hello world, this is Kids Code Campus Developer here, and today I'm going to teach you how to graph. And the software that I use is Desmos.com, and I have an account, Kids Code Campus, and this is it. So this is a graph. This is the origin, 0, 0. And so this line is Y, and this line is X, and it continues on forever. If you can see like this, it keeps on going if you keep on doing it, and it goes into the negatives too. So this line is Y, remember, this and this line is X. So I'm going like this is negative 50, negative 60. I can keep on going down forever and ever. And whenever you want to record something, like how about 0, 0, you go 0, then 0. So that's the origin. And you always put brackets around them. So this is red, and on Desmos you can change the color. Like you can just keep on putting it back, put it on, if you want to put it on or put it back off. And so you always go X first, then Y. X, then Y. So how about if I want to record 10? 0, this point, 0, 10. So this will be 0, then 10. And then there's a point. And these are points, and I can put it anywhere. So how about 0, negative 10? No, 0, this is 0, the negative 10 is here. So 0, negative 10. And like that. But how about if I want to record something on this line? Then it will be 0. It'll be the Y, the X always comes first. So like 10, 10, then 0. It's it. Or negative 10. Here's his. Negative 10, then 0. And so these are just on the lines, Y, X. But what happens if I want to put it like somewhere around in this area or this area or this area? You can do it too. Like if I do negative 10, 20. Because you always go Y, then you always go X, then Y. So it'll be negative 10, 20. And there it is. And how about in any area? I can do negative 10, 10. And always remember to put the brackets. And negative 10, 10 should be here. If I retype it though. Oh, this is negative 10, 10 because we're going up. But how about negative 10, negative 10? Then it's down here. And then 10, negative 10. Same thing. If you don't forget to put the brackets. And then it's here. Then 10, 20 is up here. So if I want to do it, 10, always remember the brackets. 10, 20, then it's up here. But what happens if I don't want to do all of these? What happens if I want to do a line? Well, first we need the y-intercept. The y-intercept is, let me get a notepad. The y-intercept is y divided by x. So, like 10 over 10 y divided by 10, and then like that equals 1. That equals 1. And so we'll just say that's y-intercept 1. That's the slope. The equation is y equals mx plus b. Y is the solution and is a variable. And x is the number that you put in. Let's expand this. And it is also a variable. And so this is the output, and this is the input. So whatever you put in is x, whatever comes out is usually y. M is the slope, like I talked before. Y divided by x. And then B is the y-intercept, where it comes from the y. Like 30 can be a y-intercept. Like it's over here. And so if you put it all together, these are variables, so you don't need to put in a number. It already has the number. But if you can come up with the slope and the y-intercept. So remember y divided by x is the slope. Then if I do it, y equals, we can have any number. Like I can say 3x, and then that's all I can do. And it comes from the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept because we don't have anything, and nothing is 0 always. And so that's why the y-intercept is 0. And we can even put plus and then 0, and it's still the same thing. But if we want to put in another y-intercept, like 3, then it goes 3 up. It's still the same line, but it's 3 up from the spot. And I can also say 5, or even 10. And it's the same line, but a different y-intercept, which moves the line. And we can go below the origin, like minus 10. And it goes below. And so you can also do fractions. So maybe if I add brackets, then 12 divided by 5, since it won't equal the same line. It won't equal a whole number. I can do like that, and then it's like that. Like, you must have the x after it though. So see, if you didn't have the x, it's a straight line it's a x on the x. See, it's going straight. Since you don't have an x, it assumes the x is 0. But if you have x, then it's going. See, and this is an intercept. Around here is the intercept of both these 2 points. To make another line going in this direction, all you have to do is add a negative. So if I want to do the same line as this one, is y equals negative 3x plus negative 10. And it's the opposite way. And you don't even have to add the plus, because then it can be negative. So it's going in the opposite direction. All you have to do is add a negative, have a negative slope. So this is it, guys. Please like and subscribe to Kids Comes Campus. And so, goodbye!